Okay, guys. Even we are in Lost Recipes, so we're going to start a new game, okay? This is all very exciting. I've never played this game before. Oh, it says grab me. Do you know what? That's an offer I can't refuse. And it says grab me. I could, no. Oh, yeah.
A new volunteer?
Oh.
You want to cook for ghosts, huh? Think you can learn a bunch of traditional recipes?
I think not.
Well, come over here and we'll get you trained
I expect
up.
to be paid for this. I'm no volunteer. Whoa, what the hell? Okay, press up on the thumbstick. Do it. Teleport to the ghost flame. The flame, go.
Well
Whoa.
done. I've got some ghosts
Hello.
who'll be real excited to meet you and share their recipes. I
Okay.
think you'll have a
Let's do
lovely
it.
time. First, you need
there,
to
who's
learn
behind
how
me?
to get
No
around
one?
the kitchen.
Oh.
Once
Why?
you're oriented,
Oh, yes.
follow me.
Where's grip? Let's do it. Use the grip. Was this? Can I? Oh, shit. Oh, did that? Whoa. Oh yeah. I'm eating all the. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you
I
got
see
it.
what whoa.
Now turn
Oh,
to your
cool.
right. When you're ready, come over here and ring
Ow.
this bell.
I'll be having
That
some of
will
that
make
then.
you a
I
certified
do enjoy it.
ghost chef in training.
What is going on? Get off. Right, up. Nice. Oh, delicious. Can I? No, you can rub my berries. Shit's off. Right. Okay, let's go. Can I?
That's what I like to
Good
see,
for a ding
fellow
ding.
ghost chef. Now remember, cooking should
Hello,
be relaxing.
ghost chef.
Take your time
Hang
and
on.
pay attention to the recipes.
Am I a ghost?
Speaking of which,
This
where
is
should
like
we
that
start
movie
you off?
with Patrick Swayze.
Yes. Let's do ancient Greece,
There.
3rd century BCE.
You know that
There's an
movie with
Athenian
Patrick
who wants
Swayze,
to share what
actually.
he used to make for the big festival
Wasn't there a
called
bit where he,
Panathenia.
possesses like
Roasting
Whoopi
meats, honey
Goldberg?
bun.
Oh my gosh!
I'm getting
Like,
hungry
that's
just
so
thinking about it.
random. Come on, let's do it. Great Greece, almost do it. Boosh, we're going to ancient Greece. This is my jam, baby. This is my jam. I love ancient.
Oh, this is
I need a
perfect.
tiny mirror.
I was hoping to get someone in time for
Hey.
the Panathenia.
Can I?
Well, let's get you
Yes.
situated.
No.
I've got a lovely
It's my
recipe I want
house.
you to try. Follow now, Panathenia is our largest festival.
No.
Athletic games, music, and of
Can
course,
I
good
look at the way?
food.
Oh no!
That's where you come in. We
I have
start
no
off
idea
easy.
what this guy's
A
saying. He's
triad
just
of
talking and I'm not
staples,
listening.
Grapes,
Story of my life.
grains, and olives. This recipe
great.
tablet
Oh,
should
grapes.
have everything you need to get started.
Grapesman. Yes. Okay, I don't. Let's have a look. So this is a button that I press. Does this? Oh, ow. Oh. Is it a paddle for like smacking people with? Douche. This is like assassins coming in. Whoa! What the hell? Oh, here we
Fill
go.
a mixing bowl
Mix,
about
mix.
a third full with olive oil.
Sure. Oh shit! Come on in. Come on, let's do this. So I gotta just leave that there. Oh, that's good. Anti-gravity instruction board is a win. That's a win, guys. So this is olive oil. Oh my god, I love olive oil. Oh, I could just drink a whole other. I could drink that all day. Seriously, have you ever just done that? Taken like a teaspoon of like olive oil and just drank it. I swear to God, Greek olive oil is the best.
Oh,
It's so
olive
good.
oil.
So,
Prized among my people. No, literally. We've used
Yeah,
it
that's
as
good.
prizes. You win a chariot race
mate. Oh,
during
shit, no.
Panathenia. You get
Come on.
140 amphora
Yeah.
full of olive oil.
I love this guy's voice. It's amazing. Come on, let's go. Right. So Phil.
Add to the
yes.
marinade 1
Add-
spoon
this
of
needs to be
thyme and
multiplayer.
3 spoons of rosemary.
I kind of want to play this with Jenny, and let's do multiplayer. So 1 spoon of thyme. So thyme is looking awfully like that. So is this a spoon? I think this is a spoon, guys. Let's grab this. 1 spoon of thyme. Chloe! Oh yeah! I have no idea what we're making actually. I think I need that spoon. Oh Jesus! Whoa! I can like, properly get into the desk. Oh! I can hide under here. They'll never see me. If a Minotaur comes running in now, he'd be like, duh. Where is? Okay. Oh shoot! No. So okay. Now we're gonna have 3 spoons of rosemary. I'm surprised. I would have thought you'd need 3 times and 1 rosemary. Rosemary's quite a... Rosemary's delicious, man. Rosemary and olive oil is like such a good flavour. Like, next time you're making chicken, right, stick some oil on it and then put some rosemary over it. Oh, it's so good. It stonks. Right, let's go. So now we've done
the
that.
olives
Bonk.
and let
Add
them marinate.
olives. Add
Are
all
you
the
a fan
olives?
of green
Okay, add,
olives
it's a
or
table
black
olive.
olives? Perfect. Now,
Sean.
those will need to marinate
I like
for a
them
bit.
all, baby.
Did you know green
No,
olives
no.
are just
To be
black
all the
olives
damn
that
olives.
haven't had as
Skimp on
much
the
time to
bloody
ripen?
olives. Yeah. There you go. Both. Now, I need to...
Oh, the two
Shit.
ingredients for
But-
making
but-
pita
oh,
are
fuck.
over here.
Whoa.
Oh, no. Oh, man. Hang on. Boop. And then I lost all. All important. Very, very important. Okay. Done.
In the
Gum.
mortarium, use
In
the pestle
the
to grind zea and barley
mortarium.
grains into flour. It should be half full of flour after grinding.
Okay, you're coming with me, punk. Can I go over here? Okay. Cool. We should get to walk around. I'm a fan of walking around, to be honest. But is there a button I can oh, settings? Oh, here we go. Yes. So, tin, smooth, yes please. I don't snap turning. Cane to grab? I mean, sure. Save, go. Come on. Return to kitchen. Right, great. So, this is the... No? Yes? No? What am I even looking at here? Hang on. Sure then, okay, fine. Oh, this is the mortar. It's right in bloody front of me, innit? Absolute tit. Right, okay. So we need to grab... Use the pestle to grind
A mix
zeal
of
and
zea
barley.
grain,
Do
oh,
it.
zea is another name for farro, and
Yeah.
barley will make
Danny
a
got it.
hearty pita.
A pita, or making pita breads. I love fresh pita breads. Right, here's a tip. If you're in the supermarket, don't buy pita breads. Just buy everything you need to make the pita breads, right? And a really simple pita bread recipe will be like not many ingredients. So it's like salt and flour and stuff and water. Maybe something else I can't remember, but so nice, freshly made, homemade pita breads are the bomb. They're so good. They're so good. So anyway, I think that's done. Should be half full of flour after grinding. I think that's
Add a
okay.
spoon of salt
Add
and
a
splashes
spoon
of
of
sourdough
salt.
starter, water, oil, and milk.
Well, it's just, is this... Oh, shit, that's milk. Set splash. Sourdough
Look
stuff.
at all these
Right,
ingredients.
That's milk.
We want about a 5-to-3 mix of flour to liquid.
Yes.
That's the ratio for most bread, and it'll get us the consistency we want.
Now, where's the salt?
Take your
Is that-
time measuring things
is that
out.
the salt?
We are in no rush.
Cool. What is that? Oh, that's the... Yes. Oh, shit. Oh, aye.
Smooth
Okay,
the
so
dough until it's a
smooth
round ball.
dough.
Then let it rise.
Okay, we're gonna smooth it, baby.
Perfectly
Oh,
round
yeah.
and smooth. Wonderful.
Yeah. This feels a bit rude. Okay, I'm sure stop there. Let rise. How we let it rise. Oh shit, like it's growing. Hello. Dude, it's crying. Oh my god. Look. Whoa. That's
Fresh
amazing,
charcoal
right?
will
Fresh
light
charcoal.
if added to the old coals in the oven.
Sounds good. Let's do it. So I need to get. Yeah. Come on now. Yeah. Chuck them in. Oh yeah. Oh, we got this. We got this. Yes. Yes. Okay. I think I dropped one. Ouch. I burned my hand. Ow. Whoa. Oh shit. Right. Enough of that.
Looks like the oven is hot enough to start baking some pitas. Split the dough in half.
Split dough in
with a
half is
knife.
nice.
Roll it with a pin to flatten.
Okay, so this is the bit that we need to go over here, I guess. Oh, okay. So we gotta oh, that's a knife. Whoa, he's got a knife. Stick him up. Whoa, I think Assassin's Creed. Actually, that's a good point. I should play more Assassin's Creed. Hi, yeah. In half with a knife, and then we roll with a pit.
Oh,
Do we do
I
that
get
here?
that.
Oh, look. Oh yeah. Okay, that's good. And now we need to go over here, grab that. Bosh here. Oh, yeah.
That's starting to look like
Yeah,
a pita.
Oh, fudge. Hey, mate. Well done, me. Yeah. Okay,
Put the pitas in the oven
pitas in
and
oven.
close the door.
close the door, so
Good. Let's
put
let
them
that bake.
in here.
How are the olives coming
Oh,
along?
man. Come on now. Olives? Oh, marinated olives, mate. Come on, let's do this, ready? I'm gonna go over here. Bush. Oh,
Don't
they're
worry
looking
about
good.
spills.
Yeah, they're looking... Don't worry about spills. But there's all the good stuff in here. Like... Hey, perfect.
The pitas are done when the
Pitas
pour
are
off the
done.
marinade and put the olives
Pour
in a
off the
small bowl.
marinade.
Remember to serve the grapes too.
Okay, so... Off the marinade.
That pita smells
Ah, there you go.
perfect. Quick,
Okay.
don't let it burn.
Oh, no! No, I gotta get it in. Come on, then, mate. Oh, ow, man. Come on now. Oh, shit. Hi. Chargy little thing. No. No! Oh, God. Hell away. Come on now. Oh, it's good. There, get my head out of the oven. Jump back over here. What the hell? So now we gotta, do, no! Want a spoon, damn it. Right. Come on now. Right, now we're gonna go, yeah, 1, 2. Dig. God, I remember, like, back in those days, they still like stones in olives, and like now we buy them prepared. Because we're like, you know, lazy now. Yeah. And the problem is as well, like, a lot of olives that we eat now are like completely covered in preservatives and stuff. Fresh olives. It's like that's an early Greek food, right? So, no. Oh. And, oh no, I lost an olive. How rude. So yeah, like Feta cheese is made from like sheep's milk, right? But like the stuff that we get over here is like incredibly preserved. Which is why it keeps for so long in like a sealed packet. But over in Greece, like Feta, I think they have to eat it within like 2 days because it goes off. But apparently it's so much nicer over there, and I've never tried it. Oh. Put off the marinade, serve the grapes too. Oh, okay, so good at... oh no. Okay, I'd rather watch myself here. Beautiful. Okay, ready? I think actually... Okay. Wondrous, let's go over here, okay? Book. Great. Serve the grapes. What
The
might put the
pitas
olives.
are done
The pitas
when
are
they
done
are
when they're golden
golden
brown.
Place them in
What
on the
golden brown
serving
to me?
table and
Oh,
ring
I
the
gotta
bell.
get ready. Oh, come on now. Right. 1.
What
there.
a wonderfully simple
Gosh.
recipe, but so nutritious. Don't you think?
Yeah. Sure, I mean, if you like that sort of thing, which by the way I do. Hey, come on now. Then chair, scrub that. And then jump over here, and then look. Oh, yes. Oh, I could just smell
Let's see
it already.
how we
Come
did.
on.
Shall we? Μια μπουκιά.
How do we do it? Oh, dang! How do I get out of here? Bro, how did I get... Okay, there we are. Bit too close to all this crap. Oh, they go eating all the food.
Nosti.
Come on, man.
That
Leave me
was
missing.
pretty good.
Yet, I'll take that. Oh, yeah.
Looks
4
like
stars
you got
out
the
of
basics
5.
down.
Hang on. Oh, I see. Ingredients I screwed up. Gotcha. Could hardly taste the salt in the pita. Okay,